Sesi's taking a nap. She had her pain pills about an hour ago. Well, probably a little bit longer than that. But anyway, yeah, she's resting easy and her incision looks amazing. It's no longer red. I don't want to wake her up, but let me see if we can sneak. Let's see. That's normal looking, so the redness has gone away. It's still, swollen, of course, because it's only been a few days. But yeah, she's doing really good. Oh, I love her so much. And they gave her, the green line tattoo. That's what that green color is. In case she gets loose, people would know that she just had surgery. But couldn't they tell by that funky haircut? I would think. I would think, oh, this dog just had surgery. But anyway, she's doing really good. Very relaxed. She's doing amazing. Okay, just a quick little update on Sesi. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.